Hi, this is Prabhakarachari, diamond fitting specialist. Greetings from India. Let us discuss about bezel setting. The bezel setting is a bold and uncompromising choice for an engagement ring, turning heads wherever it is worn. This concise guide dishes on one of the oldest jewelry settings in the world, covering pros, cons, and everything else the modern couple needs to know. What is bezel setting? The bezel setting is a type of gemstone setting that surrounds and holds the center stone using a continuous band of metal. This setting, also known as rub over, holds the gem with a projecting lip that overlaps the edges of the stone. Only the crown of a bezel set gem is exposed. The bezel setting is one of the earliest settings for precious stones, with archaeological evidence of its use throughout history. Primitive examples of this simple setting involved creating a hole or slot for the stone in the metal and bending the metal over the edges of the stone. Examples of bezel set stones have been found in the jewelry of ancient Egypt and the Roman and Byzantine empires. Types of bezel setting. Bezel setting engagement rings are versatile with popular styles including full bezel setting. The metal rim of the bezel setting completely wraps around the stone for a secure hold. Partial bezel setting. The metal setting only surrounds the center stone, exposing more of the stone and allowing in light. Split bezel setting. The stone is set in an almost full bezel with section splits. High set bezel setting. The stone in the bezel setting is set high against the band to increase its prominence. Low profile bezel setting. The stone is set flush to the band of the engagement ring with the point of the stone within the ring and margins of the stone surrounded by the band. Plain bezel setting. Plain bezel rings have an unadorned rim of metal surrounding the center stone. Fancy bezel setting. Jewelers can further detail bezel engagement rings by adding micropave, a halo, milgrain detailing or side stones to accent the bezel set center stone. Bezel engagement rings are experiencing a revival in popularity. The simplicity of a bezel setting elegantly sets the center stone in clean lines for a unique, discreet look. It does a great job of protecting the center stone, perfect for dentists, artists, craftspeople, and anyone with active lifestyle. Perhaps most importantly, the bezel gives a ring a unique look no other setting can replicate. And in the case of me, bezel rings A row of dainty side stones adds magnificent side sparkle to the bezel metal strip. The bezel setting is one of the earliest settings for the precious stones, with archaeological evidence of its use throughout history. The bezel setting works with any diamond because the bezel setting is so simple. You can make it work with any diamond shape. The bezel design simply follows the outer edge of the stone. Choose a bezel setting for round brilliant cut diamonds, Marquise diamonds, Pierre diamonds, oval diamonds. Our master setters skillfully use a minimal amount of metal to display as much of the stone as possible. Yet me, bezel engagement rings make the center stone appear larger than its carat size to observers. If you and your intended are considering the bezel setting, here are some great reasons to go for it. A protective setting. The bezel setting beautifully frames your diamond while protecting it for impact. Unlike prongs, which expose much of the diamond, the continuous rim of metal in a bezel protects the stone at all times. Perfect for an active lifestyle, bezel settings keep a diamond in its place at all times. There is no risk of losing the center stone when you are training, walking with your hands, or wearing gloves. Perfect for active people and professionals. Fashionable. After thousands of years, the bezel setting is back in style. Jewelry designers have modernized bezel engagement rings with sleek and smooth lines that make the elegant and sophisticated. Bezel settings make your stone appear larger. A rim of bright metal can make your center stone look bigger than it is. This means outside the frame is filed and buffed so that the frame looks very thin and the diamond looks very big and shines more. I cut some gold in the gold frame, a 20% of gold. Because of this, the diamond is fixed in the gold frame. The gold is lifted with the help of pins, a gold grain which is formed on the girdle of the diamond so that the diamond is well placed in the frame. After the gold grains which are lifted from the gold surface are just pushed with the help of a tweezer or rubbed with the help of a tweezer onto the diamond so that the diamond will not move while the gold is hammered. An eye loop is used to check the girdle of the diamond is well placed or not in the gold frame. The diamond is well placed just below the gold frame so that when It is hammered. The gold just moves towards the girdle of the diamond and it is circled with the help of a pin. This setting to enhance the look of a smaller diamond, saving money. Enjoy snag-free wear, prominent prongs and other styles of engagement ring can snag on clothing. The low profile prong frame bezel engagement ring will keep your garments snag free. Cons of bezel setting. Bezel engagement rings do have their downsides. Here are some things to consider when selecting a bezel setting. A diamond in a bezel setting may have less sparkle because the diamond is enclosed in the setting. Light can only enter into the gem from the front or crown. This means that a center stone in a bezel setting may not have the same gleam as a stone in a prong setting, but brides who want and understand a ring often seek this nuanced glow. Bezel settings can be bulky, yet bezel setting rings are subtle with a thin rim of metal surrounding the stone. With other retailers, some may find the bezel setting to be bulky with a thick and unsightly rim. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.